Okay everyone, so right now I'm on the 6th floor of the Camelback Lodge and Indoor Water Park. There's some secret door. Those behind me are the stairs, and these are the main elevators. And down there are some guest hallways. Back over here, these are the main elevators, the ones that go to the lobby by the check-in desk. Over here, I found the service elevator. We're going to take a spin on it. I found another service elevator by the conference center kitchen. Alarm. Get on the G1. I'll try to film that other service after this. If the passenger elevators get too busy, I think I might just use this from now on. Hope it doesn't open into an employee area down here. Cab view. Elevator 2, call cancel, phone on the panel, fire instructions kind of battered, there's a certificate, Tannersville, Pennsylvania. Okay, we're gonna stay over here and go up. Oh, it opens up into the laundry area down here. I should not be down here, it smells like chlorine. Key switches are also faded. I don't know if I got a cat view, but if I did, alright, I'll do it again. A lot of the lights are different color temperatures. There's a little bracket here to prevent things from smashing into the wall. Here we are at 6. Those are interesting vents, by the way. Alright, we're gonna risk it. We're gonna go back down to G1. That door close button works. And I think on floors 6 to 2, maybe 6 to 1, it opens to doors by the main elevators. Oh shit, someone's at 4. Alright.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how you doing? Which one are you going to?
G1.
Huh?
All the way down.
Alright.
G1.
Just making a video, that's all. Here you go, sir. You too. That guy didn't care. Here we go, back to 6. Someone's at 1. Oh. Which one are you going to? 5. Alright. Which one are you going to?
4, please.
Okay. Don't mind me, I'm just taking a video.
Why are you videoing elevators? I'm just curious.
It's just an interest I have, that's all.
Okay. Do you work here?
No.
Then you should not be in a service elevator. These are for employees.
I'm sorry. Someone get off. I'll get off at 6.
Oh, 1 minute. Yeah, just you take the main elevators, alright?
Sorry.
That's alright.
Here you go, sir.
Thanks, man.
Yep, no problem.
Have a good night.
You too. She cared, but she didn't tell me to get out. Incredible. Alright, here we are back at 6. See if we can make it ring. Yep. Okay, here we are. Because I'm not using this one anymore since it's very frequented. And it will close up. There it goes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.